What's up, everybody? Just doing a cleanup here. Got started from this morning. Probably got about 3 to 4 hours into it. I took several breaks. I gotta prune that one bush a little bit better, trim it on the one side here I see now. I cut the shrub right down. It was blocking the window. Just cut it down, it'll grow back. Gonna put 2 skyrocketing junipers, one over here in the corner, a taller one, maybe 5 or 6 feet, so I'll spend extra money on it. I'm gonna put a smaller one over here, like maybe a 2-footer, to try to keep up with the bushes to look good. So I cut the natural edge in. I took out the those red scallop concrete pieces that nobody uses no more. If anybody wants them, I'll give them to you. Left them in the back of the person's garage. They could deal with the garbage. I'm working on this little bed here. I just got to pull out some more grass by hand. So hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully it's looking good. In the morning I'll grab the mulch and finish it up. So thanks for checking me out. I'll see you guys in a couple minutes. Thank you.